Hello, welcome back to my channel, Charlie's Lessons, and in this video we're going to take a look at a super simple idea that's going to make a big difference to any activity that you do in the classroom. If you teach English or any other subject for that matter, then you're probably used to doing multiple choice questions with your students. These are questions that have anywhere between 3 and 4 answers, usually A, B, C or D. And they look like this, like this, like this, or like this. So I found a way to change these activities into something fun for your students. The first thing you're going to need is Monopoly. Now, you don't need the board game, all you need is the money. If you don't have this, then you can put together just anything that resembles banknotes or money. Then, the next time you do a multiple choice activity in your classroom, stop your students and get them to write on a piece of paper the letters A, B, C and D, if there are 4 options. Have the students with the book to one side and the piece of paper on the other side. You're then going to hand out the same amount of money to every individual student. Do an example to start with. Put a multiple choice question up on the board and tell the students that they have to bet the money they have in front of them. If they are 100% confident that they have the right answer, they can put all their money on the correct answer, be it A, B, C or D. If they're not sure of the right answer and are thinking between maybe 2 or 3 possible options, then they can share out the money between those options. When all the students have decided where their money is going to stay, you then give the correct answer. For the students to put their money on the correct answer, they get to keep it. But if the students put any money on any wrong options, they lose that money. At the end of the multiple choice activity or test, the student with the most money at the end is the winner. You might have seen this game being played on a popular game show called $1 Million Drop in the United States. If you don't want your students to play with money, then you can replace it with counters or something that does not represent any value. Thank you for watching this video on how to play this super simple game in the classroom. I'll see you in the next video.